Hi, I'm Barb Steinberg. I work with teen girls to help them know themselves better, like themselves more, and create lives that feel confident and happy for them. I also work with parents of teen girls to help them to understand their daughters more and to learn how to respond in a way that they have more connection and a more positive relationship with them as they move through adolescence and grow into young adulthood. If you have a daughter or if you work with teen girls or tween girls, then you know what a roller coaster ride girls' friendships can be. There are many tricky situations. It sometimes takes a lot of involvement from us, the grown-ups in their lives. So this friendship series that I've created is a compilation of my work over the last 30 years with teen girls and their parents. What I've tried to do is take every question that I've been asked over the years and provide you with answers, with information, with tools, with strategies on how to deal with the plethora of situations that your girls can find themselves in with their friendships. Trust me, it's a lot of great information. In this series, we're going to cover everything from girls being in unhealthy friendships, frenemies, breaking up with a friend, getting dumped by a friend, triangles in friendships, 3 girls in a group, conflict among girls, how to stand up for yourself. We're going to talk about popularity and how girls manage that, technology, social media, phones. We're definitely going to cover that. We're going to talk about girls being in friendships where their friends are emotionally in trouble or maybe too needy and how to set limits and boundaries. Or maybe they have friendships in which their friends are engaging in risky behaviors, how to handle that. And we're going to cover many different bullying scenarios and how to help your girls handle those types of scenarios. And I'm going to give you very specific tools about how to handle each to give to your daughters. These modules are not in chronological order or built on one another. They're separate individual modules with separate information with little to no repetition. So you can either find a module that has an issue that you are most concerned with, that you want answers to, or you can purchase the entire friendship series to have all of your questions answered about your daughter and her friendships. And you'll be given all of the tools you need to manage pretty much any situation I think you could come across. Now that said, if you find that you've watched the entire friendship series and you are wanting even more specific information based on your daughter and her experiences, then you can always contact me for a parent coaching session. And we can do that either in person if you live in Austin, Texas, or we can do that via FaceTime or Skype. If your daughter lives in Austin, Texas, and you'd like her to receive some specialized coaching around her friendships or other issues, then you can contact us through my website, barbsteinberg.com, and we can talk more about coaching for your daughter. So hopefully, I really do believe that this friendship series is going to be really a valuable tool in your toolbox for your girls and for you. And if you're interested in more online courses or webinars, you can go to our products page on barbsteinberg.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.